sold by major retailers, including CVS and Walgreens. The FDA says the products may not be sterile. Monetary recall also reveals they may cause temporary adverse health consequences. Drops are made by CDC Pharmaceuticals. So far,
There's more coming.
when we come back, the young cancer patient.
I don't know what's in here. I don't know what's here. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what's in here.
Finally tonight, America Strong, a 12-year-old shows a hospital.
Tonight
On this Good Friday, a remarkable gift from a young man with cancer carrying a shadow illness.
Meatballs. Who makes the meatballs?
The fighter jet Iran has successfully downed a manned American aircraft since this war began. 2 F-15 crew members ejected, one was rescued by officials and is now safely out of Iran.
Owl. Salmon. Salmon. Coconut green.
It's like ice cream.
Yeah, what's this?
That is a beef gravy.
Salmon gravy.
Oysters. He's gonna get, what is it?
Look at that. Can it mix yourself? It's a salad, taro. What's this called?
Chicken scallopi.
Chicken what? Mashed potato.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what I was just
What to get?
I was gonna say, why is there 2 options of potato?
Yeah.
Because I want to eat both of them. But like,
No, that's why I said you don't have
Kinda
to worry. Because I know, like, sometimes it gets hard with kids.
Sweet and sour.
Did you want some mash?
Very hot. Can't wait to have salmon.
It's on shut down the whole Easter.
No, we only closed on Friday. They're really closed
Oh, that's
on
right.
Christmas Day.
Make sure put away put some for me.
Uncle Friday.
Yeah. She's making sweet and sour sauce. Is this enough for the? Yes, because we're gonna add more of this now. Both. Now add this.
It's slices.
Or you can cut into pieces. Yeah. Now cover for 5 minutes.